Adding and subtracting. You have seen problems like 3 plus a square equals 7, where the box represents a missing number. It says here that some mathematicians like to use letters instead of boxes to represent a missing or unknown number. I will change this one to say that when you're doing algebra, when you already are old enough to understand algebra, then you stop using squares and things like that to represent a number. You start using pronumerals, okay? The problem will be written as 3 plus x equals 7, where x just represents a missing number. Nothing new there. If you have a question about that, you let me know. Questions. Not all answers have to end with a number. Answer the following questions using the example as guide. So example, we're going to do this example together. Team, I should say here, it says time. Team is on floor number N of a building. So we're going to do it here. So this is an example. Okay, so we have a team is in the nth floor. Okay, he takes the lift up 4 floors. So then he goes up 4 floors. What floor is he now? So I'm going to draw my building, and I'm going to put this one like if it could go forever, agree? Like I don't know, because I don't want you to think that it's only going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 floors. We don't know, but I'm going to say that team is here. Here's where team is. What floor is that one? We have no idea. We know that is nth floor, so we know that this one is nth. And then team, what happens? He goes up. How many floors? I should have selected one down because I don't have here enough ones, but I can. Let's here. Okay, so he goes up. If he finished in this floor, what will this floor be? N plus 1. What will be this one? N plus 2. This one, N plus 3. And in the last one where he finished is in N plus 4. So the answer as an expression will be N plus 4. And that's your answer. It's an expression. Okay? Wonderful. Then it says, okay, and here it starts examples. I'm not going to do these examples in the videos because you have the answers at the end. Please make sure that if you have difficulty with any of these videos, you let me know. With any of these questions, you let me know, and we can work together in class solving these ones, and I will break them down for you. But the answers are at the back, and I don't want to give you the answers. You know what? Let's do this. You start. I'm going to do the first 3 ones. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3, A and B up to here. Those ones are the ones that I'm going to do. So pause the video, watch how to do it, and then you do it, okay? So we're going to start with our questions. And now we're going to go to question 1. Wonderful. So question 1 says, the temperature is D Celsius. The temperature goes up by 5 Celsius. What is the temperature now? So similar to the example that we just did with team in the nth floor. So if I'm starting in D, that's where I'm starting, and I'm going to go up. If I'm going to go up, I'm going to add how many Celsius? 5. Wonderful. What will be if I go down? Then it will be take away. Agree? Wonderful. Let's do question 2. Question 2 says, Jack is 8 centimeters tall. Jill is 20 centimeters taller, and we have a drawing here that might help us. How tall is Jill? So first question, and we're going to use this as a guide. Who is taller? Jill is taller. Agree? So if Jack is 100 centimeters, then Jill will be 120. What did I do? What did I do to find that one? I added 20 to what Jack had. Therefore, the answer for G is going to be H plus 20 centimeters. That's how tall Jill will be. Then 3, it says, X is marked on the number line before. Put a dot where you think X plus 4 will go. And here saying that this number line here goes towards 0 and here goes towards to infinity to the right. And I have X in the middle, and then I have X take away 1. What will be this one? What do you think? Hopefully you'll say X take away 2, and this one, X take away 3. Agree? And to this side, what is this one? If this one is X plus 1, what will be this one be? X plus 2, and this one, X plus 3, and this one, X plus 4. So if you have this printed out, you just have to put a dot here. If you don't have it printed out, you have to draw the line and put where you're doing it, okay? Well, I'm not going to do it here so that this video is not that long. What number is represented by the dot on the number line below? So here I'm starting with X, okay? And this is the dot. Now this is the question, what number is represented by this dot? So question, if I was moving to the left, what will this one be? The same as here, X take away 1, this one, X take away 2, this one, X take away 3. Now if I'm going to the right, this one will be X plus 1, therefore this one is X plus 2. Wonderful, girls.